Hi friends, for our art center today we are going to make a paper plate apple. So you should have a paper plate, red paper, green paper, brown paper, glue, scissors, and then a black crayon or marker to make your seeds. I'm going to get out my black crayon. And friends, just for good practice, you can turn it over on the back. And remember, the first thing I do is always the same. And for this one, we're going to say, look at the back and write my name. So I'm going to put my name on the back. Okay, friends, now I'm going to cut out squares. So I have strips of red construction paper, and I'm going to cut out some squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to cut out 10 to start. And I'm going to take my glue, and I'm going to remember just a dot, not a lot. I'm going to put the glue on my squares and stick it to the side. So I'm gluing around the side of my apple. Okay. Gluing all around, putting them on the edge. Now friends, if you have bottled glue at home, liquid glue, that might work better. I'm using my glue stick, and it's having a little bit of trouble sticking to this paper. It's sliding around a little bit, sticking on this plate. So if you have bottled glue, that might work better for this project. I'm going to cut some more squares out. And again, I'm sticking them around the outside. Okay, and then I'm going to glue on my stem. And I'm going to cut out a leaf. And glue that on as well. See how it's popping up a little bit? So again, if you have liquid glue, that might work a little bit better. I don't know why it's doing that on our plate. Then in the middle, I'm going to draw my apple seeds. And do you know that when you cut an apple open on the inside, it makes an apple star? So I'm going to do it like that, 5 points. All right, my friends, I will see you all soon.